Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new tutorial in the 12 Cards of Christmas series. Today we are making a twist turn card, which is really cool. And like always, you have all the measurements in the link in the description under the video. You can go ahead, grab it, print it, and then pre-cut all the pieces that you need for each of the cards that we make in the 12 Cards of Christmas series. So we're going to start with our base. And we're going to do some scoring like usual. We're going to score it on the long side at 2 3/4 and 4 inches. And we're going to score it at 4. Now we're going to turn it 90 degrees, and on the short side we're going to score it at 2 3/4, which is basically the center. Next we're going to fold all the score lines that we made, because we need to make one more or two more score lines, and for that we need our score lines to be visible. It's going to make sense in a minute. So once we have all that folded, and of course you can see I'm using a double-sided cardstock, align the two vertical lines to the left, and then score a diagonal line from the center to the left score line. So we're going to do one diagonal line, score it with your bone folder, and then from the same spot to the other side of the score line. So we have two identical diagonal lines, one going from the top and one from the bottom. So we're going to work on those score lines with our bone folder. And next I'm going to show you how to fold the card. It's a little bit tricky. So we're going to align it like this. Burnish all the fold lines really well, otherwise it will not work, especially the diagonal lines on both sides. You need to fold them to both directions. So the first line goes towards the inside like this. The diagonal lines go toward the outside like this, mountain folds, and then the next fold line goes as a valley fold towards the inside, and this will make the card fold really easily. You'll see it will jump while you fold it, and then you simply need to move it to create the diagonal twist. Just find that spot and you will see that it works. Once you fold it this way, and then along the diagonal lines, fold the square. So the square becomes a diamond, like this. I'm going to show you again. This towards the inside, the diagonal lines towards the outside, and then fold it like this. Okay, so next you can go ahead and start embellishing your card. You can use whatever you like to embellish the card. You can use stickers, pattern papers, you can leave it blank and write your message on the outside. You can write your message on the inside. It's up to you how you want to proceed at this point and make the card your own. I'm using a few stickers that I have with a Christmas theme, obviously, because we are making the 12 cards of Christmas. And I want to remove that a little bit, put that underneath and move that there. Okay, that's better. It's a good thing that you can remove the stickers without tearing the paper. So I'm going to add a few more stickers here and there to complete my card. And I also want to add something like a strip or something under the circle sticker. So I'm just going to use paper scrap, remove a little bit of the sticker and tuck it underneath. Okay, so basically my card is ready. I just need to add something in the inside, and you can write your message there. I really hope you like this card. It was easy and fun and quick. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video so you won't miss anything. You can make all the tutorials, including the 12 cards of Christmas cards. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.